Well, it turns out there was already an operating system installed on here, and from what I can tell, it was Windows 10. So, yeah, can't say I'm really a fan of anything post Windows 7, but either way, seems to have frozen. No. Oh, alright. Suppose worst comes to worst, I can always sort of wipe or dual boot this with Windows 7 if necessary, if I want to. Probably will end up doing that because yeah, Windows 10 and I've also been trying out Windows 11 as well from the Insider program, and aside from it not meeting the requirements, the nonsensical requirements, I'll say, for my PC, I'll say that it's kind of not really. I can't say I'm that excited. I can't say I'm as excited about the release of Windows 11 as I was about the release of Windows 7 when it came out first. Blue light filter. Go ahead and disable that. Oh, there we go, all properly configured. Date time's set correctly now. that was the problem before. It wasn't set properly, and it wasn't connected to the internet. But either way, yeah, it seems to work. I think it's running Windows 10 18.03 or whatever you call it. That was the last time it was updated. But yeah, that's if I'm using Windows 10 on this, then that's probably what I'd be using. But I spied a copy of Windows 7 that was already installed in here, so I'm probably going to use that instead. So, yeah. Oh, yeah. Suppose this is kind of going to be part 2, and yeah. Thanks for watching.